Hello. Okay, so I've been thinking since last time, and honestly, I think I've taught you enough now that it's time for me to move on to teaching you about a new thing. So I'm going to do this, and you might notice that it has like softer parts at the end. And if you do this, then this one has even softer stuff. This one is like, it's good at doing that. And this one does this. Now, at first glance, you might think, oh, well, isn't that just like exactly identical to the other one? And I would say, are you stupid? This one's a bit thicker, but you can make it thinner if you want, and then they're like kind of identical, I think. Yeah, probably. I mean, there might be a difference, but you know, no one's going to notice. It doesn't matter. And then there's this one, which is like a white thing with green stuff around it. And this one we've already done. Oh, it's like, it's doing stuff. Cool. We can do this. If you want, we can even do this. It's like, who wouldn't want to do that? We've got alpacas, which are like that. If you're a really horrible person, you can go like that and make them all upside down, and then they're going to be really sad because they're like, why are we upside down? And the blood's going to be like rushing to their head, and you're terrible. You know, just, I don't want to be your friend if you do that. I'm actually going to delete those ones because they're just, that would just cruelty. If you're really nice, you can make some more alpacas, but if you're not nice, then you can like make them suffer with cruelty, because like you can make half alpacas like that, like this. And then obviously, if you know your physics and your biology of alpacas, all the blood's gonna like spurt out of them, and just, it's terrible. You shouldn't do that. So yeah, you know, just don't do that. Now, if you've been paying attention to the things that I've been teaching you, then you know that you can use these tools for like making more realistic blood. And yeah, so if you found this blood tutorial helpful with all the alpacas and the smudging and the blurring and the leaves, then leave lots of bloody footprints all over my screen and I will get back to you. Beep. Thank you. Goodbye. Did I say that clearly enough? Goodbye. I need to work on my enunciation. It's all this blood all over the floor. It's oh, there's too much blood. Let's get rid of the blood. What's wrong with you?